great under 8. Should I say boy under 8? You are literally over 9 years old because you can't even use any other program than Windows Movie Maker and MC Paint. And you have over 300,000 subscribers. And you are still using Windows Movie Maker. Kill yourself. This is seriously like the worst thing I've ever seen. Yeah, kill yourself, and I fucking hate you because you do only stupid videos, because you can't do anything better than fucking insult on people and do anything better because you're faggot! Kill yourself! Kill yourself! Your fanboy sucks, you suck, and yeah, your life sucks. So delete your channel immediately because I hate you. Everyone hates you, and you're a worthless YouTuber. I don't know any great YouTuber which uses a fucking Windows Movie Maker. That's fucking cringy. That's fucking cringe worthy. I'm literally launching right now because that's a cringe. You're using a fucking Windows Movie Maker. What the fuck, mate? What the fuck? Kill yourself! Seriously, kill yourself, you fucking cunt! Yeah, I fucking hate you because you are using stupid programs and can't do anything better than just insult other ones like Leafy and Pyrocynical and Nefakaraza and other commentaries fakes. So yeah, you suck, kill yourself, you suck, everyone, every commentary is fuck. Every bad YouTuber sucks, you suck, kill yourself, you suck too, suck you, and don't call me fat in the chat, as Malcolm said, don't call me fat because you are fat too, bitch.